Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide photos on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So if you want to hide the photos from your MacBook, it's very simple. So you can open your album, your library on your MacBook, and you can choose on the picture or image that you want to hide. Maybe for the example, you want to hide this one. You can select on the picture. You can click right and you'll find there is an option hide photo. You can select on that. You can select on hide photo. Now, this photo will be hidden from all places in your library but can be found in the hidden album. Now you can tap on hide. So now you can see the picture is disappeared from your album and it's stored on your hidden album. So no one can see your photo without your permission. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide your image, your photos on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.